I know how to do. I'm very grateful to be here. I was here 43 years ago when Abubakar was governor of Kano State. He gave me impression about North. The door was open. I'm from East. I could not speak your language. When I came, he didn't say me. He didn't ask me for 1 kobo or 1%. He introduced me to other governors from other countries. Yeah, I'm very grateful to people of North. The stability of Nigeria stands for North, particularly from Kano. That's why God made it a great nation, a great state. Now I'm very happy to be here. The founder, Azman University, I'm grateful that you are helping your people. You spend all your life building university, building airline for the poor, for new generation. Because very soon we shall die. We shall leave Nigeria for that. I don't want to talk too much. I'm not a politician, talk to me. Yeah, I'm very grateful. I will contribute for this university, for honoring me to come from another state. I will send you a message of about 200 million naira to start.